Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my mobile detail van. That's right, I know that you guys have been asking me for quite some time, at least some of you, and today we're going to be doing a full walk around. So basically what you're going to see today is all the equipment that the van carries, as well as how everything here is set up. Now, if you want to see how everything came together, I'm going to be leaving links in the description down below for you to take a look. Also down below, I'm going to be leaving links for the equipment that I'm going to be showing you here today. All right, so with enough talking, I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. Before I start showing you around, let's talk about this van real quick. It is a Mercedes mattress cargo with 126 inches wheelbase, which is the shorter version, and I absolutely love this van. It's very comfortable, it's good in gas, the engine is powerful enough to carry all the weight, especially when I have my water tank filled to the top, and it has enough space to carry all my stuff. Also, it's compact enough that it will fit in anywhere I go. Never had any problems fitting this van anywhere I went. So I absolutely love this van. Hey guys, so right now I'm giving you a full overview of the cargo area, but very shortly I'm gonna start taking close shots so you can see things more closely. Now, before I go ahead and do that, let me explain to you a couple of things here, starting number one with the roof and the walls. If you look at it, you're going to see that there are covers, right? Well, behind those covers, there are insulation. So basically, I've insulated this entire van. And the reason why I did that, it's because, I don't know if you know this, but I live in the Las Vegas area. And the weather here can get pretty harsh, especially during the summer. So in order to try to protect my chemicals and my equipment as much as possible from the harsh weather, I've decided to insulate the entire van. Now, number two, moving on to the framing. If you take a look at it, see over here the framing, see my water tank is tucked in there. I have shelving space over here. I have more framing with shelving space over there. And then on the other side, which you can't see it right now, but I'm gonna show it to you later on, I have a wall with reels attached, a filtration system, and also more shelving. So this entire framing has been custom built by yours truly, which means that you're not able to purchase at a store. However, if you live in the Las Vegas or the surrounding areas and you're interested in something like this, feel free to reach out. Maybe we can come up with something good, okay? Also, if you're already established business that manufacture framing for auto detailers and you need maybe a vendor or a partner, feel free to reach out as well. Who knows, maybe we can come up with something cool, right? Again, as a reminder, in the beginning of the video, I told you that if you want to see the build and the manufacturing process of this setup, links are in the description down below, okay? Now let's go ahead and start taking closer shots, all right? Here we go. All right, guys, let's begin these close shots by showing you the framing. Here we go. So everything is made out of metal, okay? Super sturdy, heavy duty, won't go anywhere. If you look at the water tank is tucked in the middle. And over there, more shelving space, which was custom built as well. And then on the other side, there's a wall, which I'm gonna show it to you guys later on. Then over here, you're gonna have all these bottle holders made by Max Shine. Over here, a polisher holder by Max Shine. Over there, a holder for my pressure washer gun and my foam cannon, and extensions and a tornador, and also, you know, pressure washer tips. So I'm gonna start showing you my equipment, and I'm gonna begin by showing you my latest addition, which is the reason why I call this a fully electric setup. This is my latest addition. Like I said, it's a electric inverter generator by EcoFlow, and the model is Delta Pro. A beast so far, I love it. Then I have the air compressor by Fortress, and it's a 4-gallon 200 psi. Next to it, I have the rigid shop vac. This one is a 5-gallon 5 horsepower. Then over here, I got a little workbench, and this is a light bar that I use to clean the interiors. And moving on up here, you're gonna see the pressure washer. This is a AR Blue 630 TSS. Then back there, I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to get a little closer. That's actually the water pump. It's a RV style water pump. Then moving on over here, this actually is the air blower, which I use to dry all the crevices before I apply any protection. Power cord. This is a chair that I use. It's a great chair I use for, to have access to the lower area of the vehicle. Okay, so now here, this bag is where I keep some small stuff and some paperwork. This, I have my clipboard with work order, and then I have, like inspection light. I have this coating thickness gauge, and I have this gloss meter over here, UV light to check on, hidden stuff. You run into some nasty stuff sometimes. Over here I have some, what should I call this, like detailing Q-tips, something like that. Then over here I got the corded polisher by Max Shine. This is the remote control to turn on the air compressor, vacuum cleaner, and the water pump. Then over here I have a cordless polisher by SPTA, which I do not use as a polisher. I actually use this as an applicator, and it's great for that kind of application. As far as using this as a polisher, it's terrible. I don't like it. Then moving on, I got this guy right here, which is the pressure washer gun by Active. Then next to it, the MJJC foam cannon. The model is S, I believe. Then I have my Vortex Tornador right here. Over here, a pressure washer wand. More tips over there for the pressure washer gun, as well as over here. Then I've got some wheel brushes over there, a mitt within an extension. Then I have my glove box. Then over here I have my steamer. These are, containers for my towels. I have an additional foam gun here, some measuring cups, my cordless drill, then some cordless drill brushes, vacuum tips, air compressor tips, and all sorts of applicators and brushes. Over here I got the foam for a rinseless wash. Then I have that clay mitt, also horsehair brush, a mini polisher. Then inside of this container I got some polishing pads. Back there I have a mini carpet extractor that works just fine for the type of work I do. Over here I got a sprayer, a foam sprayer, and that's it for this section. Now let's go ahead and move to the back. Hey guys, before I move to the rear section of the vehicle, let me talk about this water tank. I forgot about it. I'm so sorry. This is a 100-gallon skinny water tank, and it has this quick connection for garden hose, which you can fill up the tank with your tap water. Or also, if you are going to a spot-free water station and need to fill up using those larger holes, there's another port in there. Okay, and like I said, this is tucked in between the framing. All right, guys, so we are here at the back of the van, and I'm gonna start showing you the doors. So everything is pretty much Max Shine. The bottle holders, the brush holders are all Max Shine. Diamond plated aluminum sheet has been cut and painted by yours truly. Then moving on to the rear section of the van. This is where I have that wall attached to the frame where I have some of my reels on, and also my filtration system, which I'm gonna explain to you shortly. But before I do that, let me talk about these. This is the shelving for some of my containers. And then over here, this actually is a slide out. Let me get rid of these buckets. And the reason why I have this slide out is because prior to having purchased the electric generator, I used to have a gas generator here. So I had this slide out for my gas generator. Okay, this slide out has been built by yours truly as well, and it's a pretty decent slide out, but I don't know if I'm gonna use it anymore. Probably not, but I'm keeping it here for now because I'm still testing the electric generator. Okay, now this reel is for the pressure washer. Okay, and it has Uberflex hose. Over here, I got electric cord, power cord reel. Then I have the air compressor hose reel by Central Pneumatic. And then I have the vacuum hose reel by Dust Right. And the last thing that I want to show to you guys is this water filtration system, which has been custom built. I like to call this as the deionized water filtration system, which provides spot-free water. And when I say spot-free water, I mean like 0 TDS, 0 parts per million equals no mineral. Okay, these two blue housings holds up the resin, and then also I have attached a bucket filler hose. Hey guys, this is it for today. I hope I was able to provide you with some good information, but if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me down below. Also, if you could give us, right Bumblebee, a little support by hitting the like and subscribe button, I will really appreciate it. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Peace. Good boy. Good boy. Such a good boy. Yeah.